So today we're doing a heated windscreen on this SKODA Kodiaq. Starting off with the guys from PRO GLAZE doing a perfect job refitting the glass. From the priming to the sealant, they do a top-notch job. Once that's done, we bring it in so Mike can get started on the wiring. Once Mike's finished the wiring in the engine bay, it was time to replace the AC panel to add the new button. After some coding, the heated screen was ready to go, and the possibility of turning it on and off from both the radio and the AC panel gives the options to the customer. Now it's all put back together and it's ready to go out.